Hi, welcome back to the channel on the college process. Once again, I'm Ed from Principia Prep, and today we're going to be going over Biden has announced federal student loan forgiveness is now on its way. Here's the latest news. But before we begin, if you're new to the channel and are looking for additional college content, please hit the subscription button down below. It will notify you when new videos do come out. As well as if you do enjoy today's video, please do us a like. It does help the channel. As well as if you have any comments or questions throughout today's video, please leave them down below in the comment section. I do answer all your questions down below in the comment section. As well as, once again, for the senior class of 21-22, we're still running the James Lewis Memorial Scholarship. If you want to be eligible for it, or if you want to help us increase the scholarship for this year's senior class, very simple. Down in the description is the link for the video explaining how it works. As well as also down below in the description is the organization's Venmo, as well as our buy us a coffee, if you want to help support the channel, allowing us to keep making these college videos for you guys out there. And all that being said, let's jump right into today's video. Biden has announced federal student loan forgiveness is on the way. Here is the latest news. Now, as many of you know, I do post typically once every week or two a new video about the federal loan forgiveness update situation, and more news has come out very recently. Biden just said, basically in the last week, that he's going to take executive action to forgive some student loan debt. Now, of course, this is great news because it shows that we're moving forward towards a loan forgiveness becoming a real thing here. Also, word out of the White House from officials there indicate that the relief will be at least $10,000, which essentially means two things here. Number one, it means we're going to have a floor of essentially $10,000 of forgiveness here. Or the second thing it also means here is it's going to be more than the $10,000 they've indicated before, which of course is great news for federal student loan debt holders. Now, of course, as I mentioned before, Biden has come out just recently, as well as the administration has come out recently and said that the $50,000 amount that they were talking about, or I guess other people were talking about in the news, is not going to happen. It's not going to be $50,000. But $10,000 plus is still a great amount for you guys out there looking for the federal student loan forgiveness, obviously. And then on top of that, of course, in the last 24 hours, even more news has come in from the administration, which has indicated they're looking to increase the income thresholds they had talked about the previous week. Because last week, they were talking about they're going to cap the income levels of roughly around $75,000 for individuals. They've actually increased these numbers dramatically. Over the weekend, essentially, it's been confirmed by the Washington Post, which stated Biden is looking to essentially cap the relief at a much higher level. Instead of the $75,000 for individuals here on the adjusted gross income side, they're looking to raise the numbers up to roughly around the $125,000 to $150,000 of adjusted gross for a single individual or below. Or for couples, they're filing joint tax returns, they're looking at numbers between $250,000 to $300,000 or below. So obviously these numbers have skyrocketed up about the amounts they're looking at for income threshold for people out there to get loan forgiveness here. So right off the bat, we're having great news coming out about this information. Obviously, the increases up to at least the $125,000 level, as well as at least the $10,000 is on the table, if not more, has all come out basically in the last 24 to 48 hours, let's call it. And obviously, the fact he's looking to take executive order into this is even better news, which means it is moving forward here. Now, for everyone watching, what you should be doing now, as I mentioned in my previous videos before, is if we're looking at an income level of $125,000 to $150,000, if you're above that level, you should be aggressively paying down your federal student loan debt while we're still in forbearance. Now, if you're at the $125,000 to $150,000 level or below, then obviously what I would be doing is having some money on the sidelines ready when the forbearance ends to pay off the remaining balance of the amount they don't forgive. So if you have, let's say, $30,000 in federal student loan debt and they're forgiving $10,000, I would be aggressively looking to pay down that $20,000 remaining. And of course, you can do this, obviously, if you have money on the sidelines, obviously. And for all those people watching here today, if you have any private loan student loan debt, I would not be waiting on anything from the federal government because your loan debt will not be forgiven in any way. So you guys should be looking to refinance your debt immediately or as soon as possible because of the fact that interest rates are going up. It's going to increase the rates of refinancing. Since refinancing rates are still at historic lows right now, I would be looking to refinance. So obviously in closing, the federal loan forgiveness seems to be on the table. It looks like they're going to take executive order. They've increased the income levels they're looking at, and they're also giving us a base of $10,000. They're going to say this is the foundation number we're looking to give away, or if not more. So we're getting great news here across the board, essentially. And all that being said, if you guys do have any questions or any comments, obviously leave them down below. I do answer your questions and comments you leave down below in the comment section. As well, if you did enjoy today's video, please leave us a like. It does help the channel. as well as if you need any help with the process, whether it's loan forgiveness or admissions or financial aid, or really anything in the college process whatsoever. On the screen is my contact information. I do help out families on a one-on-one basis. I can help you guys with anything you need help with. You can either text me, because that's my cell phone number, or email me. Those are the two fastest way to get a hold of me, by the way. But other than that, thank you for watching today's video. Once again, my name is Ed Zamora from Principia Prep.